Would you do a bundle if I did the Canon, the GoPro, and the mics? Are all the pieces here, do you know?
I don't think it's been opened.
Before 12
Pay you?
for the bookcase.
It's $5.25. Just do 5.
Yeah.
Cool. Thank you.
Thank you.
Man, I don't know. These are super cool. Maybe they'll take 5 for it. Let's see. You guys have 10 on this mug set. Would you guys do 5 for it?
I'm not allowed to take less than 10 for that.
Less than 10 for that? Okay. Is it new?
Yeah.
Should I spend 10 on it? I don't know. You know what? I'm gonna spend a 10. Sure nothing's broken. I'm gonna give you the 10 for it. Do you have a 10?
I have 2 pens.
Oh, that works too. All right, so I spent 10 on this. I think we can get 30, 40 bucks. Yeah. Few. I got more stuff. GoPro. Oh, nice.
Basically, we got it for these jokers.
Yeah.
They didn't use it. It went out to Lake Seminole one day. We farted around with it, and then it all went back in the box.
Gotcha.
Hey, what's your address here?
It's 5498.
Oh, pretty. I just literally just bought one.
Oh,
I literally just bought one for my YouTube channel.
I have one with the
With the boom?
boom. Never been used. It's in our thing.
Gotcha. Do you do YouTube or your podcast or?
See, they thought they might want to.
Gotcha.
So, and then it just so
5498.
76th Avenue North. So our loss is your gain.
Gotcha.
It's funny, I live on 76 too,
Oh yeah.
but down at the end of Park Boulevard.
There's a little phone number. You're
I
interested
got
in that?
Oh yeah, you got that stuff, yeah.
So there's that.
Really mics.
And then
Yeah, I have a YouTube channel and I do a live podcast as well. Which one is that one?
that's the 10.
Oh, it's a 10. Oh,
Yeah.
nice. Like this is a 9.
Okay.
What are you asking for the 10?
For this kit, say 150.
150.
Again, barely used.
It's been pretty much just searched in that case.
Yeah. I also have long cord mic and then a short
Oh, okay.
lapel mic. So
I see a bunch of comic books. So do you guys have comic books and stuff like that?
that's what we have is right there.
Oh,
So
okay.
not a whole lot.
Gotcha.
This is the
That's cool.
this is an action
Man, yeah, you get all the toys.
chesty
Yeah.
thing like that. So
You went all out.
and then the book bag, you can wear it in the book bag. It straps to the GoPro straps to the shoulder straps.
Yeah, I know they have that, but
You have the Rode wireless mics.
I don't
Oh.
actually.
Yeah, we have those here. So it has a little. They come with a little. They
Yeah.
both come with a little fuzzy.
What are you asking for those?
Where's my phone? It's in my pocket.
Games are $1 each.
Yeah. I'll do 100.
Sophie, do you want a hash brown?
How many of it? There's 3 of them in here.
2.
Oh,
that's
two.
that's the receiver.
Oh, that's the
box.
receiver for it.
Yeah. Going on.
I've actually never used one of these before. I don't even know what do they go for brand new?
Over 200. I just checked
Yeah.
eBay for
Oh,
for
did
what
you?
they sold used. So like here, I'll show you.
If you don't mind, I'm gonna just
Yeah.
pull it up.
Yeah,
So I can
absolutely.
Because
See that right here?
eventually I plan on.
See, my filters are
Yeah.
and filters are condition used, and then so they range. See, the lowest I saw was that, but they range from 200, 170, 222, 175,
Yeah,
179.
that's.
So
You guys 100? You said for those?
yeah, it saves me trouble if I'm gonna
Yeah.
buy some on eBay.
Open box. So brand new, they're going for 2. Yeah, because I wasn't sure if I was I eventually need to get microphones, so this would be a nice fill-in for me. So it's parts only. It has all the cords and the cords and stuff with it. Let me think about that.
Yep.
I mean, I'm definitely interested. I'm gonna see what else, all the other goodies you got over here.
Yeah.
What are you asking for this?
$5.
$5.
Yeah, it looks like you had fun
And you want, what you said, 150 for that one?
for the kit. Yeah.
For the whole kit?
Somebody bought one.
Oh, bought one. How much?
Do you have a 9 too?
It's
That works.
compatible.
Oh, it works for both.
See.
Oh yeah, compatible with 10. Oh. I just bought a bunch of batteries too. Off
Now for your channel, I don't know if you what kind of.
I got the Evo,
Okay.
the webcam we're in right now. I just got the new Evo one. I'm gonna look up some of these prices if you don't mind.
Yeah, yeah.
Just trying to get a better understanding of what
This is a fisheye lens or a wide angle lens that you can clip onto your cell phone. So if you're ever somewhere, you're just like
Oh, really?
without your thing. Yeah, that's kind of a cool thing.
Yeah, it's cool. I looked at the mic. I looked at the mic on this too, but it actually picks up a really good sound. Oh, there we go. These are nice too.
You don't have to keep it.
What do you have on this one?
100.
100. And what do you have on the webcam?
50.
50 on that one. Oh, sorry.
Yeah, you're fine.
Just trying to see what else. This is cool. I love my Yeti, man.
Yeah, that one has the water rotorcraft.
I know. I saw. That's
Voiceover
what I've
stuff,
never
yeah.
seen that one. That's cool.
The only thing that's missing is the old micro USB. It went bad.
Oh, gotcha. When's the last time you used it?
It's been a while. It's been a while.
I mean, this thing isn't that old. Didn't it just come out like 2 years ago or
Yep.
so?
No, it's not too old. 7 G3 Audrey Hepburn.
Bag.
I'm like, sure. Those sell on eBay for like 60, but I'm missing the little screw, so
Yeah, so.
We're gonna be moving to Germany eventually, and I don't think that will probably.
No, it won't.
As much as I like it, I'm just like, that's not good.
Is it $1 too?
no, that actually isn't $1 grand. That
What?
How much is that?
The highest price we saw on eBay is like 15. So
15.
You could sell it for like 10 or something.
Okay. Would you do a bundle if I did the Canon, the GoPro, and the mics?
Okay, so like individually one.
I think you got 350.
350. What are you saying?
300.
Yeah. Good. Easy.
Got that. 301.
Don't worry about it, man. That'll work.
It comes free.
Yeah. That's what. I just want to take a look at the GoPro.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Absolutely.
Make sure it has the. Can't tell you how many of these mounts I break.
Let me see. I don't see if you've ever seen this. This is a weird sort of tripod,
Yeah.
but yeah, it does its thing.
No problem.
Thank you.
Get it?
You just got one of those?
Yeah.
Everything else up with that, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Would you do 15 for that? For the extra battery?
Yeah, sure.
All right, cool. I didn't pay you yet, right?
No, no.
All right, cool. So there's 3.
Okay.
That's 320.
A $5, please.
$5. Is that? Oh, 20 cents. It's like, did you put $75 on it?
It's not a $75.
That's fine. There should be some 5 cents.
We looked at that twice. I'll do 10 for it if you want it.
Yeah, but they got lost in translation.
Eh, why not? Oh, you 5. There we go.
There you go.
Just doing business with you.
Hey, thank you.
I paid you. We were squared up for everything, right?
Yep. Everything. So it should have been.
This one,
Yep,
dope.
got it.
Okay.
Yep.
Perfect. All right. Thank you, guys.
You're welcome.
Well, wasn't expecting that, but it works out great.
Yeah, absolutely.
Oh, that's a beautiful freaking suitcase.
Yeah, that just got a. Here.
Oh, the Delcy.
Yeah.
No, it's not. It's the Disney one.
Oh, that. Yeah. Yeah, $10.
Here, you want to put this in there?
Oh, actually.
That has been to Europe and back twice.
I don't. We won't charge extra for the European dirt, right? So they don't listen.
Yeah.
There you go. I'll have it to break.
Thank you.
Yeah, $10.
It's a cool look to it. Just takes up a lot of room. All right, thank you guys.
You're welcome.
Do you need the bag back?
Yeah, she
Okay.
Do you need the bag back?
Do you need the bag back? All right, thank you.